Hi, I'm Trevor. This is how you feed 4,000 within 24 hours.
I feel like I'm in a police interview with all this.
Again, please have a good service. You know, there's lots of people out there, lots going on.
Large-scale events are ingrained in Excel London. It is what we do on a day-to-day basis. But you might be talking about 6 events which are all alongside each other at one given time, which then obviously then drives that number up.
So Excel itself is one of the most unique venues within London and certainly also within Europe. Sort of sets us apart from other places that we are really very much a blank canvas. A lot of our events vary in terms of what we're offering on the day, and there's a lot of different concepts and visualizations from the clients themselves.
Probably the toughest obstacle to overcome, you know, the enormity of the building, how big it is, understanding it.
And when you do large numbers like this, one little failure and you could, you know, totally mess up the scenario.
Well, hundreds of hours, man-hours go into the planning side of the event previous to the event actually being live on the day. When the event is running, we could be looking at anything in the region of 300 to 500 staff members that come in.
Event planning really starts from us from the second we're introduced to the client. With the proposals that we work on, we're working on things and catering proposals for 2030 at the moment. So once we've got that, we will then get the client's brief, do an overview, and then sit down with all key stakeholders from culinary to operational to logistics to sustainability, health and safety.
If you look at Excel London, you know, we can do the 4,000 within 24 hours. We can do 16,000 within 24 hours. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, you know, to bring that 4,000 together. Every piece of puzzle fits together nicely, day in, day out.
So every day comes with its own unique challenge. I think that's why we are here.